Hello, I'm Abhishek Panta, and in this video, I'll explain the modifications made to the run command function and also proclaim function in Ismail SS program to meet the requirements of step 5a and 5b for video 2. The updates includes adding a termination code for the user command quit and also supporting the user pipes. At first, let's move to the first update. Here at line number 27, to implement the quit command, I added a simple check before processing any input. So if the user types quit, the program will terminate using exit 0 function. So it simply quits out of the program, right? So let's just execute it, and yeah, it quits smoothly, right? Now let's move to the another update that I did in run command. Yeah. So the original run command function handles the execution of command by forking a child process. If the command was a background process, it will print the process ID and continue. And if it was a foreground command, then it waited for the child process to continue. So to support pipe, I added logic to detect and handle the pipe symbol in command. So let me walk you through the changes that I have made. Two variables CMD1 and CMD2 are created, and these variables are used to store two commands separated by the pipe symbol. CMD1 stores the first command, and CMD2 stores the second command. And then we have created a loop to detect the pipe symbol. So this loop iterates over the command arguments to check for the pipe symbol. And when it is found, then this cline array is split into two parts by setting cline I as null, and cmd2 is set to point to the command arguments after the pipe symbol. So as a result, cmd1 contains the first command and cmd2 contains the second, right? Now let's move on with handling the pipe. So to handle the pipe appd creates a pipe with two file descriptors, pipe fd at 0th index for reading and pipe fd at first index for writing. 0 for reading and 1 for writing. And also for error handling, if pipe fails, an error message is printed and function returns. Let's look at the first command. The parent process creates the first child, PID1, and what it does is it closes the read end of the pipe, which is not needed by this child. So 0 is read end, so it closes that read end of the pipe, and then it redirects the child's output to write end of the pipe. And then we are using execute command execvp that runs the first command cmd1, right? Now in the second command, what we are doing here is the parent process creates the second child, PID2, and what it does is just opposite of PID1. It closes the right end of the pipe, which is not needed by this child, and then redirect the stdin to redirect the child's input to read end of the pipe, right? And then we are executing the command cmd2. So here we are closing both pipe descriptors. The parent closes both end of the pipe, reading and writing. Now we are waiting for child processes to complete before returning. So this is the code walkthrough. Let me just show you the execution of what it does, right? So here if I type lt and wc, so here the piping functionality is working. The word count and ls and word count are working, and the word count is 56. Just to this is the word count of this thing is 56, and it is working right now. So this is cmd1 and this is cmd2 variable that I created earlier, and also the quit function is working, and that's all. So in conclusion, with this modification, the program now supports pipe, enabling complex command sequences like ls minus lt with piping with word count. And it terminates smoothly when user types quit. So this implementation ensures that correct redirection and process handling for pipe commands. Thank you.